Ryan here at Signature Edits, and today I'm going to show you how to move individual layers inside of Photoshop templates. So right here I have our client guide template in front of us, and we have our pages here on the right. These are just the different groups of layers that we have in our project. So we have page 1, a variation of page 1, page 2, page 3. So I'm showing and hiding the pages by hitting the eyeballs. Now if you want to edit the page, there's a few things you can do. The first is you hit the drop down of the folder and you'll see all of the layers inside of that page. So if I want to edit, say, the rectangle here, I would make sure I click on this layer to select it, and then I can move it around just by clicking and dragging. Now you're not going to see anything because that's just an overlay layer. However, if I were to grab this one, you can see I'm moving it around. Now if I want to edit individual text layers, it's very similar. I'm just going to go up where it says text, hit the drop down arrow, and then select whichever layer I want to move or edit. If I want to edit the text, I just double click inside of that box and I would type my own thing, Ryan's Guide. And if I want to move it, I can make sure I've got the move tool selected here by pressing V or hitting up here, and then I can just click and drag it wherever I want on the page. If I want to select more than one layer at a time, I can hold the Command key on a Mac and then click as many layers as I want and move all of those layers at the same time while leaving the other layers that aren't selected. Okay, now to clear your selection, you can just click on any other layer, and whatever layer is highlighted is the layer that you have selected. So I hope this helps you just make more sense of what's going on inside of Photoshop when you're trying to edit and move individual layers. Take care.